Okay, just contact seller support. They will help you about it. How much time for non-onboarding? Okay, if you reach out seller support within 2 days, we will reach out to you. After that, within 7 working days, you can able to onboard smart fulfillment. My sales are below 10 units per day, but I want to opt for smart fulfilling. Okay, your daily DRR is less than 10 means you are not eligible for smart fulfillment. If you are interested, please contact seller support. Let us see once your business. After that, we will take the additional decision. Any new seller can be smart seller? No. For new seller, we have a smart 2.0 option that you will get automatically. If you are eligible for smart 2.0, you will get FSU tag as well as after your 10, once you cross the 10 DRR, after you can come to smart fulfillment. All info gadget are for red or not need to arrange after the confirmation. Yeah, infra means whatever the basic requirements is there, that is the infra. What we will do first, we will create infra audit. Once we will get to know all the requirements is available with you, then we will create a pre-live audit for you. Full full process explained. It is nothing but smart fulfillment is the program where you will get this FSUD badge on your listings, whichever listing you will invite in smart fulfillment. If you get the FSUD badge, definitely your order will get improved. Okay, flow will get improved. It is for the business growth purpose. I have marked my order as a ready to dispatch since approx 1 week. Okay, this is not related to smart fulfillment question. Please contact seller support. They will help you about this. Yeah, it is mandatory to paste FSN on every product. No, here not FSN level. It is a listing ID. You have to paste each and every product because this is one by one order processing. You have to scan and do the process, inwarding and order processing. So it is very mandatory for paste the listing ID barcode on the each and every product. I have racks and bins and all the required things. If you have all the required things, please contact seller support. They will help you about this. How can I selling and visibility because I am not getting enough order? Okay, if you are part of smart fulfillment, please send a mail for us. We will check out for your business. If you are not a part of smart fulfillment, this is the another issue. You can contact seller support. Can I copy image of other seller and create my own product? This is not related to smart fulfillment question. We already have mentioned in our warehouse, but we have been trying to get in touch with support team to get touch with us, but we have not received any response. Okay. So, Arya, we will do one thing for any other question. We will share the smart fulfillment mail ID. In seller support is not supporting. In that case, they can seller can mail to our generic mail ID. Barcode code is mentioned twice. These two different printers. No, barcode printer and thermal. These are two different printers. Barcode printer will use for the barcode print, and thermal printer will use for label printing or other purpose. These are two different printer, two barcode printer. One is barcode printer, another one is the thermal printer. Is barcode thermal printer both are different? Yeah, both are different. My infrastructure was done 25th September. When will I get the second round of interview? Okay, so please contact your auditor. Okay, he have a look on that. If you failed in audit, again within 10 working days, they will reach out to you. Before smart fulfillment, I get 20 to 30 orders, but after smart fulfillment, I got only 20 or 20. How to increase sales after onboarding smart fulfillment? In case after onboarding, if your order got decreased, please raise a mail to smart fulfillment and underscore fulfillment at flipkart.com. We will definitely help you about this. Let us check with the what is the issue there. Then we can tell you the suggestion. Okay. Does smart fulfillment involve sending goods and to Flipkart warehouse? No, this is completely different. This is not related to Flipkart warehouse. It is your own warehouse. You will maintain each and every input and order processing. It is in your place only. We have smart fulfillment, but are not able to generate shipping label from barcode printer. As per requirement, we have initiate, choose it, try it, but not able to generate. Okay, in this case, you are